Once you get money, upgrade these 15 things immediately. What would you do if suddenly you had some extra cash in your pocket? Would you blow it on a fancy vacation or a new wardrobe? Or would you invest in things that will truly upgrade your life? If you're like most people, you probably have some idea of what you would do. But the truth is, knowing where to invest your money to get the most out of it is a lot harder than it seems. That's why in this video, we're going to share with you the top 15 things you should upgrade once you've got some extra money. But we're not just going to give you a laundry list of things to upgrade. We're going to show you how to make strategic investments that will truly enhance your life in meaningful ways. From upgrading your sleep environment to investing in your personal growth, these top 15 things will have a major impact on your life. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and make some smart investments, then let's dive in. Number 1. Emergency Fund. Having an emergency fund is essential for anyone who wants to be financially stable. This fund can help you cover unexpected expenses, like a medical emergency or a car repair. You should aim to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up in your emergency fund. But what about planning for the future? Number 2. Retirement savings. It's never too late to start saving for retirement. Investing in a retirement account like a 401k or IRA can help you ensure that you have enough money to live comfortably in your golden years. You should aim to contribute at least 10% of your income to your retirement account. Number 3. Debt repayment. If you have any debt like credit card debt or student loans, it's important to pay it off as soon as possible. High interest debt can be a major financial burden, so paying it off can help you save money in the long run. You can prioritize your debt repayment by paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. But what about upgrading your living space? Number 4. Home upgrade. Upgrading your home can make it more comfortable and enjoyable to live in. Some upgrades you can consider include renovating your kitchen or bathroom, installing new flooring or lighting, or adding a deck or patio to your backyard. Home upgrades can also increase the value of your home, making it a smart investment. Number 5. Home security. Investing in home security can give you peace of mind and protect your property from theft or damage. You can install a security system, smart locks, or outdoor lighting to improve the security of your home. Home security can also help you save money on your homeowner's insurance premiums. But what about your health and well-being? Number 6. Gym membership. Investing in a gym membership can help you stay fit and healthy. A gym membership gives you access to exercise equipment, classes, and personal trainers who can help you achieve your fitness goals. Plus, regular exercise can have a positive impact on your mental health as well. Number 7. Healthy eating. Investing in healthy eating can improve your physical health and well-being. You can invest in high-quality, nutrient-dense foods that provide your body with the fuel it needs to function at its best. You can also invest in meal prep services or cooking classes to learn how to cook healthy meals at home. But what about your finances and investments? Number 8. Investment portfolio. Investing in the stock market can help you grow your wealth over time. You can create a diversified investment portfolio that includes stocks, bonds, and other assets to help you achieve your financial goals. It's important to work with a financial advisor or do your own research to ensure that you're making smart investment decisions. Number 9. Passive income. Investing in passive income streams like rental properties or dividend-paying stocks can help you generate income without having to work a traditional job. Passive income can give you financial freedom and flexibility, allowing you to pursue your passions and interests. But what about your hobbies and interests? Number 10. Travel investing. Travel can broaden your horizons and give you new experiences and memories. You can invest in a trip to a new destination, or you can invest in travel gear that makes your trips more comfortable and enjoyable. Some examples include a high-quality backpack, noise-canceling headphones, or a travel pillow. Number 11. Education. Investing in your education can help you improve your skills and knowledge, making you more marketable in your career. You can invest in a degree program, a certification course, or attend seminars and workshops in your field. But what about giving back to others? Number 12. Charitable giving. Investing in charitable giving can help you make a positive impact in the world. You can donate to a cause that's important to you, volunteer your time at a local organization, or start your own charitable foundation. Number 13. Philanthropic investments. Investing in socially responsible companies and funds can help you align your investments with your values. These investments can help support companies that prioritize environmental sustainability, social justice, and ethical business practices. But what about your personal development and self-care? Number 14. Personal development. Investing in personal development can help you become the best version of yourself. You can invest in books, courses, or coaching programs that help you develop skills like time management, communication, or leadership. Number 15. Self-care. Investing in self-care can help you prioritize your mental and emotional well-being. You can invest in activities like meditation, therapy, or hobbies that bring you joy and relaxation. But what about the place where you spend most of your time, your bed? Number 16. Bedding. Investing in high-quality bedding can improve your sleep quality and overall health. A comfortable mattress, pillows, and sheets can help you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. But upgrading your bedding is just the beginning of creating a relaxing, comfortable bedroom. Bedroom upgrades. Adding simple upgrades like blackout curtains, a noise machine, or a comfortable chair can turn your bedroom into a cozy oasis. Creating a relaxing environment can help you sleep better, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. Congratulations! You've just learned the top 15 things to upgrade once you've got some extra money. Now it's time to start putting this knowledge into action and start upgrading your life. We want to hear from you. Which of these 15 things are you most excited to upgrade? Are you going to invest in a new mattress or better sleep, or upgrade your wardrobe to feel more confident? Maybe you're going to invest in education and personal growth, or upgrade your home to make it more comfortable and functional. Whatever it may be, share your plans with us in the comments below. And don't forget, self-investment is an ongoing process. Keep exploring new ways to upgrade your life, and don't be afraid to invest in yourself and your future. With the right mindset and resources, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for tuning into our channel. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. And as always, stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.